How you can open your Chase bank account online. So the first step is you need to open your browser and then type chase.com and go to the website of Chase. You can see this type of interface popping up. The next step is you need to select what's your best suit, whether it's business, credit card, checking, saving, home loans, or auto. Now, for instance, let me take you guys towards the checking section. We need to click on checking and then we will be redirected to this type of website. Now, checking accounts is of three types: everyday, kids and student, and premium. For now, I have selected the everyday department. Now, under everyday, we have Chase Total Checking, Chase Secure Banking, and Chase Premier Plus Checking. From here, we will be going towards Chase Total Checking. And then you can see this type of interface popping up in your device. Now you'll have to fill out this survey form. So the first step is whether you are a Chase customer or not. Since we are creating our account for the first time, we definitely are not their customers. And then we need to proceed towards the next step. Here we will be entering our full information. So for example, my first name, middle name is optional, last name will go like this, suffix is also optional. Moving forward, we need to put our date of birth. Make sure that you're 18 years or older to create your account, and our date of birth needs to be in month, date, and year format. Now, after entering your date of birth, you need to verify whether you are a US citizen or not. Since I am not, I have ticked the no option. Country of citizenship, let me select Nepal for now, which is right here. And then, do you have a green card? Form I-551. I do not have it. Are you a US resident, alien? Yes. Then we'll go to next. Now, after entering your social security number, you'll have to create a username and password to log in. After that, you'll also have to enter other details like your employment status, source of income, etc. You will have to fund your account for opening balance. You can do that from your Chase account or through another account in Chase or any other bank account. With that being done, your account will be created. It's that simple. Good luck with creating your Chase bank account.